Hello everyone, it's Mercedes Guy here. I'm back at Curry's PC World again. I'm going to go through the washing machines, tumble dryers, dishwashers, integrated dishwashers and integrated washers. This is the second time I'm here. So let's start off with this one, an LG 10kg. LG 10kg, that one. Yeah, that's a nice one, that one is. LG one. Boss Series 6 anti-stain 10kg, same one as I saw last time actually, the one with the double glazed door. Got a Samsung 20-year warranty with a newer type drum. Got another Samsung, that's the same type drum as the other one has. Both of them are not quite unleveled actually. Hoover HWAS 600 12kg. That's another one that I've seen last time. Yeah, that's the one of those that I've seen last time as well. Got a Beko Iron Fast Aquatech B Pro 500 1 to 12 kilogram washer. That door's quite stiff. That's got a weird type drum. I'm not sure what type of drum that is, but yeah, that's the same one that I've seen last time as well. LG 13kg. That's the most heaviest washing machine out of all the range here. That one's quite unleveled as well, that one. Got a Samsung Smart Things. AdWash version. Got an Intercept Push and Go NX inverter motor 9kg 1600 RPM spin. Hoover HWAS 300 Plus 9kg. Got a Samsung Eco Bubble 11kg. That's another one that I've seen last time as well. That's a really nice one, that one is. Got another Samsung. Hoover HWAS 500 9kg. Got another Samsung Smart Things. That's another AdWash version as well. LG 9kg washer. Yeah, that one's really unleveled, that one. Got Hoover HWAS 300 Lite 10kg, same one as I saw last time. Of course, the brushless motor version. Got Beko 1 to 10 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer. Hold on. Got Beko 1 to 10 kilogram 1400. That's the one in graphite. Got a Hopwin inverter motor 10kg. That's the one with the Ariston drum. Got a Hoover HWAS 300 Plus 8kg. The dial on that one's coming off. Somebody needs to fix that back on because the dial is coming off that one. Another Samsung. That one's empty. Got a Bosch Series 2 8kg. Got Bosch Series 2 8kg. Similar to the one. Model is WAJ2 800 82GB/11. That's the same one as my dad has. That's the same one as my dad, but his is an 7kg one. That's the same one as my dad. Got a Bosch Series 4 8kg Eco Silence drive. That's a new version of the Bosch Series 4, that one is. Got a Hoover HWAS 300 Lite 9kg. Got a Intercept one 9kg inverter motor. Got a Hopwin inverter motor 9kg with a spin brake, that one's got an Intercept drum. Got a Beko 1 to 9 kilogram 1400 washer. Got an LG 9kg. Got another hopping inverter motor, 9kg. Got an Interset 8kg. That's the one with the inverter motor. Got another hopping inverter motor, 8kg. Got another Hotpoint inverter motor, 8kg. Hotpoint Active Care Steam inverter motor, 8kg. That one's got the Active Care option on there. Got a Beko recycled tub, HomeWiz Aquatech ePro 500 washer. Got a Hoover HWash 300 Plus 8kg. That's the same one as Wash King 2000 has got. That's the same one as Wash King 2000 has. Got a Grundig 8kg HomeWiz GL 5500 washer. That's the same one as I've seen last time. That one matches the Beko bPro 500 there. Got an LG 10.5 kilogram washer dryer. Got a Hisense Connect Life auto dosing 12.5 kilogram washer dryer. Got a Logic one, L712WM23. That's the one with the small drum. And I later found out that this one is just a washing machine. That one's not a washer dryer. From my last video you guys seen, that one's actually quite a small one as well, because not only has a small drum, but it's actually smaller in size as well. Got a Beko 17 kilogram 1200 RPM spin. Got another Logic L714WM23 washer. That's the one with the inverter motor. I think this one right here is the one with the yeah, that one's the one with the brushless motor. It's actually quite different, these two Logics. That one's I think that one's 1200 RPM spin, that one's 1400. And that one has a smaller drum, that one has a bigger drum. Got an Interset 7 kilogram. This is the one with the brushless motor. That one has. Got another Beko 7 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer. Keep dropping my coat. Got a Hotpoint 7kg. This is the one without the inverter motor. Got another Hotpoint 7kg. Again, this is the one without the inverter motor as well. Got Beko 1.8 kilogram 1200 RPM spin washer. Got Beko 1.8 kilogram 1400 RPM spin washer, another one. Got a Bosch Series 4 9kg. That one has the double glazed door, the same type door as on the Bosch Series 6 we saw earlier on. Got a Beko 7.5 kilogram washer dryer. Still got a Beko Pro Smart Inverter washer dryer we have here. It's got a plastic bag inside and a small drum. Still got this Beko Pro Smart Inverter here. That's model, that one is WDK 742421W. Got a Hoover HWash and Dry 300 Light 8.5 kilogram washer dryer. The dial on that one, as you can see, is broken off. Somebody has to fix that. Got Beko 8.5 kilogram washer dryer, Pro Smart Inverter and HomeWiz washer dryer. WDEX 8540430W. Samsung washer dryer. That one's got the dynamic drum. Got Bosch Series 4 washer dryer, auto dry, 8.5 kilogram washer dryer. That one's got a double glazed door, that one as well. Oh, this is a new one. It's got a Hoover HWash and Dry 350. Hoover HWash and Dry 350. That's a new one. That's a new Hoover, that one is 9.5 kilogram. I think this is the one. Yeah, that's the inverter motor one. That's a KG mode plus one. That's a new one. I've never seen this one before. That's a 1600 spin inverter and steam, that one is. Yeah, make your home connected. I've never seen that one before. The model that one is H3DPS6966 TMBBR80. I've never seen a Hoover like this before. That's a really nice one. Never even seen that one before. That's definitely a new model, that one. Got a Hot Point Pro Inverter Steam 9.5 kilogram washer dryer. That one's got an Ariston type drum. Hoover H Wash and Dry 300 plus 9.5 kilogram. Got another Samsung washer dryer. Got a Hoover H Wash and Dry 600 10.5 kilogram washer dryer. That one has the same door compared to the Hoover H Wash and Dry 350. Now we're going on to the tumble dryers. We've got a Hoover H Dry 300 Light 10 kg dryer. That's a condenser one. Got a Becker 1 to 10 kilogram dryer. Got a Hot Point inverter motor 9 kg dryer. Also got the increased care option there, 10 hours. I don't understand why it has to go on for 10 hours though. You don't need a long cycle like that. Got another Hoover H Dry 300 Light 9 kg dryer. I think this one's missing the tub actually. I'm not sure if the tub is down there or something. But yeah. Got a Candy Smart 9 kg Super Easy dryer. Yeah, the door's actually fine. I thought last time that the door was cracked on that one, but it turns out that it's not. It's meant to be like that. So that's a Candy dryer. That's similar to what my teacher has actually. This Candy dryer, but hers has a is like a glass door. Hers has got like a see-through door. That one's just basically in white. Got a Hot Point 8 kg condenser dryer. High-low heat. That one's got the drying time on the dial there. So basically that counts down on the dial. Still got an Interset Turn and Go 8 kg dryer here. Still got this one. High-low heat version. That one is kind of looks similar to the Interset Inex ones. Quite similar to the Interset Inex washers. Got a Becker 1 to 8 kg dryer. Got a Logic LCD HW23 dryer, similar to Wash King 2000. That one's the similar to Wash King 2000. That one is. Got a Samsung 11 kg Eco Bubble Smart Things washer. Got a Samsung Heat Pump Smart Things dryer. That's the same one as I saw last time. Both are not plugged in now. We got another new dryer. Got a Hoover H Dry 600 10 kg dryer. I think this one is a heat pump one. I've never seen this one before. That's a NE H10ATC BERXS80 dryer. That's another new dryer before. I've never seen that one before. That's heat pump one, that one is. Got a Hoover H Dry 500 10 kg heat pump dryer. Same. So these two dryers kind of match, but of course that one's a 500, that one's a 600. Got a Samsung Smart Things dryer, same one as I saw last time as well. Got a Grundig 9 kg GR 5500 dryer. Got a Becker 9 kg B Pro 500 dryer. That one's quite unleveled, that one. Got a Samsung Smart Things dryer. Still got a Samsung Smart Things dryer here. No, this is a different heat pump dryer. Sorry, this one's not a Samsung Smart Things. That's an optional dryer. Yeah, of course that one's not on, but they've still got this one here. And we also got another new dryer as well. Unless they must have brought this one back. This is a Bosch Series 4 heat pump dryer. This is a Bosch Series 4 heat pump dryer. This one's similar to mine, but mine's a condenser one. Got a Grundig GR 7700 dryer, 8 kg. That one's similar to my auntie's, that one. Got a Beko recycled dry steam B Pro 500 dryer, that's a 8 kg one. Got another Candy Smart 9 kg super easy case dryer. This one's I think they brought this one back as well, I'm not sure. This is the same as what my teacher has actually, but the other one over there has got like a completely white door. The other one has got like a see-through door. That's basically the same as my teacher's dryer, that one. Same as my teacher's, that dryer is. But I think hers is like a condenser one, I think. I'm not sure. I'm now going to go through the dishwashers. I'll go through these ones first. Got an Indeset Fast and Clean dishwasher. Got a Kenwood KDW60X23 dryer, dishwasher, sorry. Got a Logic dishwasher. LDW60W23. Got a Samsung dishwasher. Same as the one I've seen last time. Got another Samsung dishwasher. Got a Sharp dishwasher. Got a Beko slimline dishwasher, same as the one I saw at B&Q last time. Got a Bosch Series 2 Silence slimline dishwasher. Got a Hotpoint slimline dishwasher. Got another Logic dishwasher, this one's a slimline one there. LDW45W23, that model is. Got a Grundig Super Dry GR 7700 dishwasher. Got another Grundig Super Dry GR 7700 dishwasher. Got a Hisense Hygiene dishwasher. Got a Hotpoint 3D Stonewash dishwasher. Got another Hotpoint 3D Stonewash dishwasher. Got a Beko dishwasher. Another Beko dishwasher. Got a Beko Hygiene Shield dishwasher. B100. Got another Beko dishwasher. Labelled as a Beko Pro, that one. Got Bosch Series 2 dishwasher. This one's a normal Series 2 dishwasher. This one's not a silent one though. Got another Bosch Series 2 Silence dishwasher. And I'm going to go through the integrated dishwashers now. And washers. Hold on, let me just pause the video for 1 second. Alright, so we've got a Beko integrated dishwasher. Got a Kenwood integrated dishwasher. Got another Beko integrated dishwasher. And we still got Bosch integrated dishwasher. That one's starting to come out of its place massively. And finally, the integrated washers. Got a Bosch Eco Silence Drive integrated washer. Basically the same ones as we saw last time. Kind of similar to the Series 4, that one is actually. The other Bosch washer dryer I've seen on YouTube. Got a Hoover HWash 300 Pro, 9 kg, power care system washer. Got Beko 1 to 7 kilograms 1600. They got they bought this one back as well. I think this is the one with the older, no, that one's not the one with the older type drum. I thought they brought one of them back with the older type drum, but I think they just brought this one back though. And finally we got a Logic LIW 812W22 integrated washer. This one's got a sharp drum. I'm just going to have a look around and see if there's any more washing machines anywhere. Oh yeah, I didn't do 2 dishwashers actually. I didn't do 2 of these dishwashers. Got Bosch Series 2 dishwasher, silence dishwasher. I kind of missed these 2 out, so sorry about that. Got Bosch Series 6 perfect dry dishwasher. So these are the actual last 2 ones. So yeah, I just missed these 2 out by mistake, but anyway. Thanks for watching. This is Joe Mercedes signing out, and peace out.